Good afternoon, and thanks so much for joining us for this update from your coronavirus headquarters. I'm Mal Meyer. It's good to be with you. The La Crosse Common Council is voting on more opportunities to dine and shop outside. The city is proposing what's called an outdoor cafe program for area businesses. Restaurants and shops would expand services outside, meaning more customers can dine or shop on sidewalks, plazas, parking lots, and streets. Another option for businesses is what's being called a cafe zone.
So if a cluster of businesses want to work together and actually close off a block on their street, whether that's Pearl Street or Main Street or wherever in the city, it could be on Copeland Avenue, where there's enough businesses that could see a benefit from that, they can request to do that with the city.
Moses says the street would only temporarily be closed off. If the Common Council approves the idea tonight, the program would run through mid-November. Our local colleges will be starting back up in a few weeks, which means thousands of students could be moving back into our area. The La Crosse County Health Department is working with UWL, Western, and Viterbo to determine how to best keep both students and the city residents safe. All three schools have mask requirements and other plans in place, but they can't control what students do off campus.
We want to be as prepared as possible once those students are in town, and it goes beyond preparation on campus. It includes understanding that there are behaviors that are risky that that young individuals engage in, and we need to decrease the risk wherever we can, and some of those areas we don't have as much control over.
Rumbalski says businesses pledging to check the spread and implementing mask requirements will be a big help in making sure students stay masked up off campus. And turning to our latest county data, the La Crosse County Health Department is reporting 9 new cases. There's a total of 767 cases, with 85% considered recovered. The Compass is still in the severe risk zone, but health officials say we have been making some progress. The time it takes for cases to double in the county was 26.5 days, but is now 32.5 days. And the percentage of positive cases is 6.7, and the rate of cases is starting to decrease. Around the state, 870 new cases are being reported in Wisconsin, along with 5 new deaths. Besides the 9 in La Crosse County, Eau Claire County is reporting 7 new cases. Taking a look at some of the other counties in our area, 5 are being reported in Monroe County. There are 3 in Buffalo County and 2 each in Crawford, Jackson, and Trempealeau counties. Over in Minnesota, there are 681 new positive cases, along with 9 new deaths. 3 new cases were being reported in Winona County. And in Iowa, 655 new cases are being reported there, along with 10 new deaths. 2 new cases are being added in Wenatchee County, and 1 new case is being added in Allamakee County. Beginning today, Western Technical College is transitioning to self-screen method for recording students' temperatures. While most classes are being offered virtually, some still have hands-on learning components that need to be done on campus. Instead of Western staff taking temperatures, anyone entering the campus buildings will need to use either a mounted or handheld temperature scanner. After completing the screening, people will be prompted to complete an online contact and symptoms questionnaire by using their phone or tablet. The self-screening stations are a solution to a problem the college was facing.
We were using volunteers to run those services, and the challenge was, after, depending upon the hours of the day, staffing availability, we could see that having those manually staffed was going to be a challenge, especially when it came closer to fall and a couple more classes were being held on campus.
He says all you have to do is step in front of the scanner and it will read your temperature. The station is adjustable to make it easier for people of all heights. Thanks so much for joining us for this coronavirus headquarters update. We hope you can join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10. Take care.